I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by quitting any audio players and stopping system sound processing so nothing locks files. Then open File Explorer as administrator and enable hidden items. This reveals configuration folders. Navigate to C, /program files /equalizer Apo or C, /program files x86, /equalizer Apo and inspect files. Config, installer, and APO service. This step prevents permission errors and lets you remove core files directly. Once located, make sure to note custom config names so you can remove or back them up before uninstalling. You must stop the APO service next. Open Services or Task Manager, find APO service or Equalizer Apo, and stop it to release drivers. Run programs and features uninstall first. If unavailable, run the uninstaller in the program folder or delete the folder manually. After removal, open Regedit as administrator and delete HKey local machine /system, /current control, set /services, /APO service, and related keys to remove driver entries. This cleaning prevents Windows from re-registering the driver on restart and removes leftover hooks into audio. You finish by restarting the PC. This clears loaded drivers and confirms the service is gone. After reboot, open sound settings and confirm your playback devices have default processing, remove any remaining Equalizer Apo entries, and reset enhancements to default. If audio behaves oddly, reinstall Equalizer Apo and then use the official uninstaller immediately to ensure a clean removal. One key troubleshooting tip. If Windows still shows the driver, reinstalling, then uninstalling with administrative rights usually clears stubborn registry and driver traces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.